Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to count odd numbers in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. Okay, let's count all the odd numbers from this data range. For clarity, I highlighted all the odd numbers in color. We are typing such a small but effective formula. And as you can see, all the odd numbers are found. This formula works very simply. The mod function returns the remainder of dividing a number by another number. And in this range, we use the mod function to check whether the number is odd. The number will be odd only when the remainder of the division by 2 is 1. Then a data array of zeros and ones is created, and the sum function summarizes these values and we get the total number of odd values. Okay, now let's look at a larger range and see how this formula works. The formula remains the same, we only change the range. We press enter, and as you can see, even in such conditions, all the odd numbers are counted. It's all, now you know to more. Thanks for watching.